What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So today I just want to do a short little episode on the Big 7 wiring upgrade from jeepcables.com. Now, I'm not really going to be going over the installation of the wires because, it's pretty self-explanatory. The good thing about all these wires is they're all labeled and you can kind of do whatever you want. I personally, after doing this a second time, I'm going to leave all the old stock cables in because the more wiring, the better. And these were still in pretty good shape. So I'm going to put these wires on top of everything. So you have double grounds, double power wires. And that's the point. You want more wires to help lighten the load. But anyways, I just want to say these cables are extremely worth it. Very, very good investment. Just right when you install them and start the car up, you can tell right away that your car starts quicker, it idles better, it handles power better, your lights don't dim. Match that with a brand new alternator and you're all set. I did go with some different battery terminals because I didn't really like those. I wanted something a bit nicer and something that had more options. You can go raw cable or obviously connectors. These are V-gates. I got them on Amazon. I'll see if I can find the link and leave it in the description. But a couple things that you will have to do is trim this here. So depending on the cable size, which these are 4 gauge, which if I would have bought them from jeepcables.com, I would have went 2, but I found this whole kit on Facebook Marketplace from a guy for $20, brand new in the package, no wires missing, the whole complete kit for $20, so I couldn't pass it up. So you'll have to trim that a little bit right there for the wires to fit and for this to shut. Another suggestion I would say is removing the battery box completely. It's going to make it easier. It's good to get all these things out because I'm sure the bolts are stuck and you want to get in there, clean everything out, make sure all your connections are good, grease all your connections. I'm even doing basically when I'm done, I'm going to retape everything and rewire it up, but I'm basically kind of redoing the cable loom because that stuff was so old and fragile, it would just peel. I think there's pieces of it everywhere. I kind of cleaned it up, but it was just so old and fragile. So I wanted to get it all cleaned up, and it's good to just get this stuff out every once in a while and do a good clean and grease up all your bolts and just make sure nothing's stuck and make sure everything can come out. But anyways, I would give this kit basically a 9 out of 10 or maybe even a 10 out of 10. But off the top of my head, a 9 out of 10 is what I give it. It's a very solid, good kit. You could do it yourself, yeah, but who has time, Look how nicely the ends are made. Shrink wrap on the ends. Everything is labeled, so you can't mix it up. It's a great kit. I highly recommend it. Maybe one of these days I'll do an install video, but I just kind of wanted to do a little review for now, and I highly recommend this product. Like my glove? Haha. Have a good one. Peace.